Okay guys, this time we have dish. What is this? This is a product from Sakho Indo Kreatif. Jagung bakar is the taste, roasted corn. This is a lidi, 100% exactly same with the broom. Halal certificates, and the name is si Umang. Look at the other side. Nutrition facts, compositions like that, storage suggestion, follow the creators, serving suggestions, don't forget to pray, best blend and herb choices, sharing not reduced, tell me for the pleasure, inspired that 100% Indonesia foods. Let's reopen this. Tear here. Okay. It's like a double side wall. I'm not here. I will open from the top. Okay, like this inside. It can be opened too from the top. And this is it. Okay, there's a seal in both of side. And it has been sealed too. Looks like the broom. Yeah, like that. You can see the texture of the ingredients in here. I will turn off the lamp so you can see the real what my eyes seen. Okay. Yeah, like that. And I think I will open this. You can take it one by one to eat. Yeah, like that. This is it. Thank you for watching.